Hey everybody, it's Nicole Janes with the Odell Group at 7 Gables Real Estate, and I want to welcome you to my latest listing at 4219 West Flower Avenue in the beautiful city of Fullerton. Now this house is a true opportunity to make a home your own. If you've gone to several open houses and you've seen nothing but plain white subway tile, that same kind of veiny gray quartz that every remodeled home has, this is the house for you because it's a true opportunity to pick your own finishes and make it into your own mid-century modern masterpiece. This house was originally built in the 1950s and it is just oozing mid-century modern charm. Not only is it single level, which is extremely desirable for a ton of our clients, but it has really interesting architectural features like the clean roof lines and this stunning breeze block accent wall. This is actually one of my favorite features of the home, so we decided to highlight it by going contrasting on the oil rubbed bronze paint color. Come on in and see for yourself what makes this home so dang charming.